So you know that, Cole, you know that meme that your friend always works on your fucking car?
Slavery. Is that what it is?
This is what it is.
Yeah.
Technically, I can't work on this. Or
Not,
help him,
technically
so.
not here.
But anyways, what are we doing today?
We're going to do, so what, he just got this car, right? So we're about to do a complete fluid swap. So going down the road, he knows what's been done, when it's been done. So we got brake fluid, coolant. We're going to do brake pads and machine his rotors, get them back to smooth. We'll show you guys that part of the video too. Transmission fluid change. What else are we doing? Oh, we're going to do completely, it's like an engine restoration / drain and refill kit. So we're gonna put one jug of the cleaner in there. It's gonna clean out the engine, let it run for 15 minutes, drain it out. It's gonna be like pretty much 3 to 4 oil changes in one. And we're gonna get this thing back, you know, to hopefully it's brand new. So, oh, I forgot. And we got the fat tires.
Oh yeah, we got new tires.
Continentals.
Big tires. Not 3 or 5 tires, but
one day.
better than what we have on this one right now.
Yeah, they're a little bald.
These are bold, so.
Should did a burnout first.
I probably should have. I told Albert.
Can you do a burnout?
Yeah, I can.
This one's not as bad. This one's fucking smooth.
Alright, Cole. What am I asking you? How do you know if the brakes are bad? Other than the fact that they squeak. I mean, they do
check
squeak.
pad life. This is what I got. That's why I picked this up. This is old as hell, but it's based off 30 seconds or millimeters. That's how we measure it. So the tip of this, I think it's like 4. Yeah, it's 4. So when I'm doing like daily oil changes and daily multi-point inspections, I'll go to the brake pad and put this next to it. You can't see it now because this is a closed dual piston calipers, but you put it next to the pad and I'm like, oh shit, you know, this is below a 4, it needs to be changed. That's how you recommend brake pads. Rotors, it's like not smooth. So the rotor's supposed to be smooth but not glazed where they're super shiny, because then that causes a lot of squeaking. And there's a lip here, right? There's a lip at the top and a lip at the bottom. So we're gonna resurface this, make it completely flat and brand new, because the rotors do have good life. They're not warped, but they are grooved, so we want to fix that. Eliminate all the noise, put new brake pads on here, get you ready for a Maryland State inspection. This caliper is one giant thing. Not like that one on the 350, there's a bracket and there's a caliper. You can take the caliper off and then get to the pads that are stuck to the caliper bracket. You gotta take these little pins out on this little, I think they call it dials. Take them out, we'll push this through. Same thing with down here. Take off this, what do they call that?
I don't know, it looked like a shield to me, but...
shims. Brake shims. Brake pad shims. Pop the shims off and then we'll be able to have access to the pad. There we go. So we got picks. That's the little pin I was talking about.
Alright, Cole, so what are you doing right now? Alright, man, so this is where you get surgical with this shit, alright?
Yeah.
Actually.
But basically just cutting off layer by layer until this becomes a flat, smooth surface. You can see it's showing the brand new metal underneath. This is all worn down. You can see how the new rotor isn't a straight circle. It's like it's bumpy. It means the rotors are really warped. So they're not straight. They're like this, offset. We're gonna get them back to completely flat. You can kind of see from here. Right down the road, you can see it's a little loose.
The video doesn't do justice, but if y'all can see it on person.
We'll have to do a couple passes. You can see from this side too, like where it's not even touching it. Well, it's not touching it.
Let me see how brand new this thing looks. Alright. It does not look brand new, it just looks damaged.
It looks like a shit. Sorry, I made a cuss, but that's because it was really warped. It looks like clean, one solid color. Set out the way.
I wish y'all can feel this right now. It's smooth like butter, bro. So this is what it looks like now.
Leave my way.
And this is what it looks like before that.
Burnt, glazed.
It's
Rotors
gross.
warped. I didn't think they were warped, but they were definitely warped because they had to do more than one pass.
Yeah.
If you have to do more than one pass, the rotors are warped pretty bad.
Well, I'm about to show you guys. It's kind of a pain in the ass. What you do right now.
You gotta get this top bolt and the bottom bolt to bolt the caliper up to the hub or to the knuckle, whatever. But since older cars have straight steel, you gotta wait. Oh yeah, you do. Have straight steel brake lines. This thing is not going to bend. If you bend it or kink it in any way, you can mess the flow up to brake fluid. If you mess the flow up, then you're not going to be able to brake properly and then like crash and die. So I'm trying to get this top bolt in without messing with this line right here.
It's kind of annoying, actually.
Yeah, it's a pain in the ass. Give me that washer. Oh, got it.
I'm not trying to make this a long 30-minute video, boys, but as y'all can see, we're gonna do this with 3 more. And be kind of stupid to show the same exact things, but next stop is definitely going to be changing all the fluids. So I think we have the before and after, but this is the after. This thing looks clean.
You gotta do it side by side.
Yeah. Should. I mean, I'd show all 4 of them, but there's no point. They all look like that. Also, we're getting new tires. These ones are super bald. I don't know if the video will do justice, but got these new ones.
That means it's a fucking beast. Money. I'm trying to make sure this does it the first time. Before I just like it.
Well, I thought he was surgical with his shit, huh? Okay. Alright.
So when you're putting tires on, if no one really knows, some tires you can put this on the inside or this on the inside, doesn't matter because it's the same tread on both sides. But for this one you can see it's a different tread style. So that if you look on the sidewall of the tire, this one says outside. So if it doesn't say outside, where's it at? So you see DOT right here. If you look at this number, this is when your tires were like made. So the 3rd week of 2024. That's what that means. So this is the top.
What's this stuff that you're putting on?
Mounting compound? Oh, I'm reading the thing. This helps get that on the wheel. Because this is so low profile tire, it's gonna be a bitch.
And you know what's even crazier? It was in fact a bitch. We were on our last tire and it just wouldn't come off. And that's what ended up happening. The motherfucker jinxed himself. He played himself. That's crazy.
You wanna grease it up as much as you can to make it easy.
Yeah, what he said.
After they're cleaner, letting it idle for 10 minutes. It's pretty clear.
Yeah.
It's dirty, but it's not. This is the rinse kit, and this was as clear as water when I put it in. Now it's coming out gold. No metal, no grime.
Is that metal shavings?
No. Yeah, that's not my engine. I don't care.
Alright boys, that was all of it today. It's a little dirty still, but at least all the maintenance that needed to get done got done today. Other than the slave cylinder, we need to go and drain that too, but we kind of ran out of time because I got some shit to do today. But overall, pretty long day. But it's not too bad.
Boy, some tire gave me a run for my money.
It's
It was
of those
that one in the
tires,
back.
bro.
It was just that one tire.
It literally took too long in one tire and we kind of ran out of time, but
If you didn't have anywhere to be, we'd be still doing it.
yeah. It's alright though. It's not too bad. The clutch is still feeling pretty decent, so it's not like an alarming thing to not do just yet. But it is pretty dark, so we need to go ahead and replace that soon.